Hello everyone. Here I am presenting the world top most 10 animal poison about which we need to know, and we have to keep ourselves away from them as they are too poisonous. They can lead us to death within few minutes or hour. So let us just start. I am Ujjwala and welcome to our channel UM Science. Number 10, that fall we discuss about the least one, that is the Asian tiger snake. As it is from Asia, it is called Asian tiger. Asian tiger snake is the only snake species that is both venomous and poisonous. They release venom, that is the poison of snake, as well as it is really poisonous. That's why it is both venomous as well as poisonous. Not only does it produce toxin for its bite, but it also stores poison obtains from its stored prey in its skin. So just think about it. Not just its bite, but its skin is also very much poisonous. Moving to number 10, that is this on second part. It is hooded pituhui. It is a kind of bird. As you can see in the figure, the hooded pituhui harbors a neurotoxin in its skin and feathers called homobatrachotoxin, because their feather is very poisonous and they consume as well as they store this poison. This can cause slight numbness and tingling in humans upon contact, but is much more harmful to smaller animals as per their volume itself. It is though that the poison originates from the bird's diet of beetles. So as they are generally habitual to eat some of the beetles which are much very poisonous, and because of their digestion they release this poison and store in them. In the second portion, that is number 8, it is hawksbill sea turtles. Generally we have observed too many turtles, they look very beautiful and cute, but actually some of the turtle species are very much poisonous, so it is on number 8. Because hawksbill sea turtles consume a variety of prey including toxic algae and sponges and venomous cnidarian, their flesh can also become incredibly toxic. So because of their diet and their food consumption, they are leads to the poisonous bite. This means everyone who eats the meat of this turtle is likely to suffer from marine turtle poisoning, complete with nausea, vomiting, diarrhea and other stomach complaints, and afterly we may lead to coma, and then will be death. Next is number 7, that is cane toad. Can you believe that toads are also poisonous? These cane toads have poisonous gland which produce bufotoxin, one of the most poisonous toxin in the world. The toxin in their skin is so potent it can kill a variety of animals and is particularly dangerous to dogs, as they can produce some of the opposite component in their body. Cane toads, tadpoles are also highly toxic, so most animal when eaten. So if we eat also, then the poison cannot be digested properly and cause poisoning. That's why it is on number 7. Next is number 6. It is the poison dart frog, one another frog. Here just see the figure. The toads are having a green colored grass, or it is a bryophyta type of plant on which we can observe this frog, where there is a black color and yellow color spirits are there. The poison dart frog is small and brightly patterned, warning predators that it is not fit to eat. So because of their color and appearance, they will be safe. Their poison is kept in their skin and affect anyone who touches or eats it. So not only by eating, just by touching also you will lead to the poisoning condition. Next, number 5, that is Spanish fly. Irrespective of how small it is too much poisonous. That's why it is on number 5. A Spanish fly is a type of blister beetle that produces a toxin called cantharidin to defend against predators. The toxin is absorbed by the skin on contact and causes terrible blistering and burning pain. If the beetle is eaten, the toxin causes ulcer, blistering, and bleeding throughout the digestive tract and can result in death. So, it is not important that whether it is smaller or bigger one, that poisonous is very much potent to kill us immediately. About number 4, it is comb stars. Whether it is beautiful or not, the poisonous is the important part. Comb stars contain tetrodotoxin, a potent neurotoxin that causes paralysis and eventual death from respiratory failure. Every gram of the comb star's flesh holds enough toxin to kill 5 to 0 mice, and currently there is no known antidote to tetrodotoxin. So if you may contact to this comb star and if you will be eaten, then there is no chance of survival because there is no antidote at all. About number 3, it is rough-skinned newts. There are only 3 species of poisonous salamander, the most poisonous of which is the rough-skinned newt. They hold enough tetrodotoxin in their flesh to kill most predators but produce a strong smell as a warning, so others can keep themselves away from it. Those unfortunate enough to eat the newt anyway experience numbness throughout the body and cardiac arrest. So as the other poisonous are affecting the respiratory tract, here it is directly affecting our heart, so that cardiac arrest which lead us to the death. Number 2, it is striated surgeon fish. A striated surgeon fish accumulates toxin through its diet. While feeding on algae that are poisonous, they sometimes consume tiny dinoflagellates which produce mycotoxin. The buildup of this toxin in their flesh causes ciguatera fish poisoning, which affect 20,000 to 50,000 people each year. Just think about it. 20,000 to 50,000 people every year are being affected by this kind of. Now about the first one, that is number 1. That is putter fish. I have already discussed about it putter fish in my another video, which was about the top 10 poisonous chemical on this world, where the Japanese are consuming this putter fish and they are leading to the poisonous condition. So here also on the animal side, it is the first ranked poison. Here the liver, kidney and spikes of putterfish contain dangerous nerve toxin poisonous to the humans. While the meat of some species is considered an expensive delicacy in some cultures, it can be fatal if prepared incorrectly and thus only eaten when cooked by a licensed chef. So there is a specialized technique to cook it. If we are not able to cook it properly, we may lead us to the poisoning condition. So putterfish is as delicious as poisonous. So that is about all top 10 poisonous of this world. Thank you very much.